Yo guys, welcome back to my channel and watching SHREKTECH, and so today I'm back with another video. So I'm excited to unbox this package right in front of you. This is the package which even I don't know what's inside this, so I'm really excited and I'm looking forward to unbox it really soon. And if you guys not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button because you are helping me support to do more videos on the tech channel. So this is something crazy item inside this box, so I'm really excited to open this. So let's not waste the time and unbox this package right in front of us. So let's throw this box up. So guys, this is the unboxing of the smart bulb. So this is the company of Smitch. So we are unboxing this device. This is a smart bulb which is actually available for everybody. Like, according to the price, it's also available to each and everybody. So the price which I've gotten on Flipkart is for 500 rupees. So it's nearby to, like $5 or $6. So this is an Indian company. It's made in Indian product, so that's really amazing. This is this Smitch, and it has its own website called mysmitch.com, but they didn't give any information about the company. So they have a lot of smart devices like the smart bulb, the smart switch, and a lot of smart stuffs, but they don't have any information on the website. So actually this is the smart bulb right in front of you. This is making in the product, as you can see right here, and it has a lot of things, so it's amazing. So the thing is, the packing is really great. The packing comes with the recycled box inside. The outer looks amazing, so it comes with a plastic outer covering. So we're getting into the box. Before that, let's go over the specifications back of it. So actually it can be controlled by a smartphone or the Google Assistant right in front of you, or your smartphone Google Assistant. So, and it has 16 million colors, as you can see in here. It has 16 million colors. It has effects like, you can sync lights through your music, so it can react to your music also. And it has scenes like, setting up your way of ambient lighting. So it has a lot of features in it. So we're gonna unbox this thing really soon, and it's amazing. So let's unbox this thing. The packing is really great. I appreciate it. It's making in the product and profit. So if you guys want to unbox, if you guys want to buy this product, the link is in the description. Go check it out. And this is the box right here. So I guess I need to slide it down. Okay, yes, I do need to slide it down. It's a nice packing. I don't want to destroy it. Okay, it's a bit tougher. Awesome. So as you can see, this is the recycled box. It's amazing. It's a Smitch, as it says. So we're gonna see what's inside. Awesome. So it has the information booklet or the user manual. So this is the user manual. So it has stuffs like this, like getting started and stuffs. And before that, guys, you have to actually download the app on Play Store or App Store, and you can also scan this thing. It is Smitch. It's on the Play Store or the App Store. So here we are. This is the smart bulb. As you can see, the base is B22, which can be inserted into your B22 compound. So this is Smitch. As it says, the bulb is really small. It's like normal bulb, and this RGB, red, green, and blue. So it has a lot of stuff. So let's see how it works. The plastic, the things is good. I don't suggest this product on the top, or the quality on this thing is so great, but it's okay. According to the price, it's great. The real price is 1,000 rupees, but I got it for 500. But in the next video, I'm gonna do this testing. But for now, I'm gonna just it's about revealing this the super smart bulb that is from the Smith company. This is amazing because it has got 16 million lights in it, and it has got the music effect along with a lot of things. So actually you can control this with your voice, neither your app. So it's really amazing. It has 16 million colors. So hope you guys like this video. If you guys really like this video, please hit the like button, and please hit the subscribe button, and yes, hit the bell notification to get the latest notifications on my update.